Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear kids, another shape is there, and this shape is triangle. A triangle like a pizza, like a samosa, has three sides. You are looking in the picture pizza slice, samosa, and sandwich. They all are like triangle shape. Every triangle have three corners and three sides. Find the objects in your class and tell to your teacher. And cut the paper in the triangle shape and color it and show it to your teacher. See you in the next lesson.